Hey guys, OnePlus launched OnePlus Buds 3 in China today, and this is the box content, and as you can see that the earbuds come with USB Type-C port. The new earbuds come with new design as well as two new color, blue and black color, and it look too much premium. This is the first look, and one of the biggest changes is the OnePlus Buds 3 come with touch control. You can see that you can control everything to using your earbuds to connect your smartphone. You can do pause and play music, receive call, and you can increase and decrease your volume. And the good thing is the TWS also come with 48 dB active noise cancellation features. The TWS also come with IP rating IP55 for buds and IPX4 for case. Another great feature, the TWS supported dual connection, and the TWS powered by 5020 mAh battery in the case and 58 mAh battery per earbuds. So you can get pretty much good battery life from this TWS. And the TWS also come with Bluetooth B53 and LSDC 5.0, and the TWS its price is 499 RMB. Let me know in the comment section below your thought. And that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.